Designing and manufacturing equipment with a focus on reliability and maintainability may seem a bit counterintuitive to an OEM. While they do focus on meeting the engineer's specified needs and improving products, the other main goals are to win bids and to increase profits. Any items that add cost to your equipment are normally shunned, as this might be the difference between winning and losing the competitive bid. In addition, future profits from the secondary replacement parts revenue stream would be negatively affected by increased levels of reliability in the assets that are manufactured. But it has been consistently shown that improving reliability is the path to long-term success. While yes, it may cause a dip in secondary parts market revenue, the increased sales based on reputation for a solid initial product will bring overall rewards and customer loyalty. Remember, Ford was failing in the early 1980s, but when they switched their tagline and corporate culture to "Quality is Job One," they were able to spend over a decade outperforming their domestic competition and keeping up with the onslaught of Japanese motor companies that flooded the American market. Electrical equipment is extremely important to production, and its reliability is a key focus for clients. Initial quality is certainly important, and a lack of it will quickly lead to a company's downfall. Equipment that fails upon initial commissioning due to simple errors that should have been caught as part of a robust QA process can be very frustrating. But reliability, which is the ability of the equipment to perform its desired task with little or no maintenance, coupled with the equipment's design being conducive to performing any maintenance both safely and efficiently, is the real differentiator. Companies that pay attention to this and who realize how their design choices can impact the total cost of ownership will quickly gain a reputation for forward thinking. Maintenance inspection windows on electrical equipment that allow infrared, visual, ultraviolet, and ultrasound inspections, all via a single device, can ensure that clients will be able to perform these desired condition-based inspections safely and efficiently. These technologies have consistently been demonstrated to be able to find the early warning signs of failure in electrical apparatus and can be used to drive more intelligent physical intervention maintenance practices. Well-designed CBM programs use all of these technologies in concert. Customers come to an OEM because they believe they make a reliable and maintainable product that will benefit their business more than the competition. This product needs to be priced properly while affording them as many advanced inspection features as possible. If OEMs can provide them with a product that needs no retrofitting to increase reliability and safety, then they are supplying them with a way to maximize their own revenue.